Hello dear friends! In this video I'll be making the popular Polish cake Pani Walewska. You'll find the ingredients and baking temperature at the bottom of the video. To start making the short crust pastry, pour flour into a bowl. Grate cold butter using a grater. Mix the butter and flour with a scraper until it resembles coarse crumbs. Add eggs, sour cream, baking powder, vanilla essence, and sugar. Mix everything well with the scraper until it forms a uniform crumb. Then knead the dough by hand. Place the dough on parchment paper, previously folded to fit the size of the baking pan. Carefully transfer the dough with parchment paper into the pan. Now prepare the meringue. The mixing bowl should be dry and grease-free. Beat the egg whites with a pinch of salt until fluffy. Gradually add powdered sugar, beating until completely dissolved and stiff peaks form. Add starch and gently fold it in with a spatula to avoid deflating the mixture. Spread blueberry jam over the short crust base. Evenly distribute the meringue mixture on top and sprinkle with nuts. Place in the preheated oven. The baking time and temperature are listed at the bottom of the video. Do not open the oven door while baking. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven. Let it cool completely in the pan. Only after it reaches room temperature, carefully remove it. Now prepare the cream. Mix eggs with sugar, then add vanilla essence. Add starch and flour, mixing well until smooth. Heat the milk, but do not let it boil. Pour a small amount of warm milk into the egg mixture, stirring thoroughly to prevent lumps. Then, slowly pour the smooth mixture into the remaining hot milk, stirring constantly. Place the saucepan over low heat. Stir continuously with a whisk and cook until thickened, avoiding boiling. Once the custard base slightly cools, cover it with cling film in contact and let it cool to room temperature. The butter should also be at room temperature. Beat the butter until fluffy and white. Gradually add the custard base while continuing to beat. At the end, add 2 tablespoons of rum and mix until smooth. Carefully cut the cooled cake into 2 even layers. Spread most of the cream on one layer. Place the second layer on top. Evenly spread the remaining cream on the sides of the cake using a pastry spatula. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours. After that, carefully slice and enjoy the result. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you next time, dear friends. Bye!